Hello everyone, my name is Laurel Serrato and my presentation is about Sql Join classes. For this video I have four objectives for us. These are learn to join tables, learn what is a join, learn about the types of joins, and we'll also see an example in which we use join. So what is a join? A join class is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. I also want to make clear what is a class. SQL classes or SQL statements or built-in functions available in SQL. So the join statement, as its name suggests, is used to link data from two related tables through some common file they have, and thus result in rows that mix data from the two or more tables on which we have done the join. There are different types of joins. We have the inner join, the left join, the right join, and the full outer join. The inner join is the default join that is applied when we do not indicate otherwise when making the query. This join returns records that have matching values in both tables. The left outer join, we use it when we do want all the rows for where there is a match, but also those in the left table that do not match. This returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. The right join does exactly the same but in reverse. When you want to list the rows of the right table, even if they are not related to any row of the other table, this join returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. And the full join, it's like the sum of the two above joins I just mentioned. This join returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. Here I have a graphic representation of the types of joins and how they may work. You can pause the video if you want to see it for more time. Now we can start with examples. So in here we have two related tables. We have the order table, the first one, and the customer table, the second one. Let's take a look into these tables. The orders tables has an order ID file, a customer ID file, and the order date file. The customer also has a customer ID file, the customer name, and the contact name. We also have a country file. Notice that the customer ID column in the orders table refers to the customer ID in the customer table, so this is our related file from these tables. The relationship between the two tables above is the customer ID column. With this information, we can create the following SQL statement. In this case, we are going to use a join clause. This selects records that have matching values in both tables. So in here, we are selecting from the orders table, we're selecting the order ID. From the customers table, we are selecting the customer name. And from the orders table, we are selecting the order date. So this is what we want to be our final result. It can be set. And now we use it from the orders table, and here we use the join class. We're going to join with the customers table depending on the orders customer ID and the customer's customer ID. So with this, we're making a join. And here with this, we are going to use our join to find matches between these two. So this will be our final result. As you can see, we have the final product almost like this, as I said in the beginning. And what basically happened here is that the join went and find the matches between these two tables. And with these matches, it created another table, a combination of these two, with this information from both tables. And that's all from me. Sorry. If you had any question, you can tell me in the chat and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.